What is up, you guys? I figured I'd come out and make a quick little video. I got the AWE track exhaust on the Focus RS. You can see over here I have the old one right there. Cut that out. The stupid thing with the Focus RS exhaust is you do have to cut it right there. That's which is right, basically straight back right above the rear axle. I'm going to wash the car. It's absolutely filthy. I don't know if you can pick that up, but yeah, it's fucking filthy. So I figured I'd try and get a cold start. I drove it to work today. So it's been a couple hours since I got back, but we'll see if we can get a nice cold start for you. That it is warmed up a little bit. Actually, I didn't give it enough time to cool off, which kind of sucks, but that way I guess we'll be able to give it a couple of revs. So, I don't know if you could hear that turbo. I don't know if you could hear the turbo as it idled down a little bit. It's much louder at idle and when, obviously when you're driving it, but you can't hear the turbo really over the exhaust. And I think because this, I still have a stock intake on it, which I don't plan on changing. I just wanted to put the exhaust on it. I highly recommend the AWE track exhaust. It was super easy to install. The only stupid thing was that if anybody's ever dealt with, there's the downpipe clamp on these things. It's not like it's not a V band. It's not a V band. It's just really fucky. You have to get it to seal and index it. It took me, well, I thought I had it on, and then I realized my exhaust was leaking, so I had to go back and adjust it. And then I got the second time. I got the black tips, as you can see there. So I'm gonna go wash this thing. I'll take you guys along for the ride. Fuck it. Got my car wash. Working at the car wash. Does anybody else not like sitting on their wallet? Let me know. Sometimes I don't mind it, but sometimes, like recently, I'm like, I care. I don't know why. Get the car wash here. Just got it washed. Oh fuck, this is fucked. Just got it washed. We'll see you guys at home. I always go super slow at a car wash and hope no one comes up behind me, because I don't like the water flinging up off the tires and onto everything else. I just talk about holding somebody up, then look. Somebody comes up. Oh, sorry, bruh. Made it back home. Car's clean, as you can see. Looks pretty good. It does a good job. It's wrapped. All is well. Camera's about to die, so I appreciate you stopping in. Leave a comment, like the video. If you thought it was cool. I know it was just kind of a bunch of rambling, but you know, there's a cool Focus RS right there. Be sure to smash that subscribe button if you haven't, and we'll see you guys in the next video.